Hey Fatty, this is Scoob. I just wanted to send you this. I thought you might get a kick out of it. Sanding versus pressure washing is the theme here. And I wanted to show you your gate. It's about a third of the way done on the back side, but it took me about 15 minutes. And we have this patch here that I left, so I wanted to show you why pressure wash versus sanding. I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera in the other, but to give you an idea. I don't know if you can see all that, but it took a couple seconds. I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. Anyhow, that's why I pressure wash versus sand. Pretty cool, huh?